fire alarm engine. This is a required component for this fire alarm engine. You can see here these three components already are connected on circuit board. First battery, second alarm IC, third 5 snap connector and 4 snap connector. So now we are complete our fire alarm engine. For after that, connecting the battery and other equipment, we are connect the speaker front of the battery, and after that we are connect one single snap connector on the positive side of the battery and connect the single snap connector and positive side of battery by using slide switch. After that we are connecting the 2 snap connector from positive side of battery and 5 snap connector, and connecting the positive side of battery switch and 5 snap connector, we are using 2 snap connector and connect the positive rail on circuit board. Now you can see here, first after that we are connect one LED connect on the circuit board, the positive side of LED which is connect to the speaker side and negative side of LED which is connect to the alarm IC. Now you can see here, for completing our negative circuit we are using the 3 snap connector and connect to the 4 snap connector. Now you can see here, for completing our negative side we are use 2 snap connector to the IC. Now you can see here, this is a 3 snap connector which is connect to the one side of the IC to positive side of the IC, 5 snap connector and another IC to 5 snap connector. Now your circuit is ready. You can see here, when you are slide your switch, you can listen the fire alarm engine. Thank you friends.